This is a Troy-Bilt TB210. Welcome everyone to Big Al's small engine. I bought this at Lowe's Hardware back in 2014. This mower is the star of two other videos on this channel where I recently swapped the engine, which is doing great by the way. Then my front wheel drive broke, so I made a video about replacing that. Well, I have one more repair to make on this mower, and this actually goes back to before the engine swap. I've needed to replace the blade / control / brake / stop the engine cable on this mower. The only way I can stop the engine currently is by pulling the spark plug wire, and that's not too safe. Plus that'll wear my wire out, and I forget to actually connect it sometimes, and I end up pulling on it 7, 8, or 10 times. Then I realize, hey Al, the plug wire's off. And no need for the engine to really be running while you're around this unit. You can get distracted, and the next thing you know, you got your foot under the deck. So yeah, this cable is not only for safety, but is a part of the designated operation of this mower. I was thinking I should replace this thing before I get into trouble. If your cable breaks and you need to, and it's an emergency, you can take a piece of wire and wrap it around and slide this plate forward and tie it off. That'll allow you to use it, but you will have to pull the spark plug wire like I was saying before to stop the engine. Then you hope you don't get an arc or something like that and get zapped, because that's not a good feeling, trust me. Okay, I basically just ordered one of these generic cables off of eBay. I just put in the parts number and got this cable. It was relatively cheap. I don't see no reason why that won't work. Okay, the first thing you want to do, this piece on your handle right here is going to hold this cable up top. So you want to go into that opening right there and listen for this cable to lock. And that locks your cable in. Next, I'm going to pull that up and I'm going to insert it into this control handle. Might have to encourage it a little bit. That thing's a little tricky to get in there. Now we come down here to this end. First thing I need to do is get rid of my redneck engineering here. On this end, if you'll see, there's a little lever right here that comes out from under your cover. We're going to connect our cable right there. Get that whole elbow up in there just like that. Then we're going to come back here with our cable and snap that into that holder just like that. Now that ought to give us control over our lawnmower there. Beautiful, that's what we want. Working great, let's try it out. Okay, we got our cable installed. Let's give this thing a cold start. Put my spark plug wire back on now. I'll end up by putting me some new zip ties on here. That's a couple of new zip ties put on. I might put on a third one just for the heck of it here. Okay, that's working pretty good, I think. Okay, that's putting a new blade control cable on a Troy-Bilt 210. You may have a similar setup on your Troy-Bilt mower. Just check your model number to match up the cable that you need to replace. This is a vital part to the safety and operation of this Troy-Bilt mower. I hope this helps you out with your Troy-Bilt 210, and let me know in the comment section about your experiences with a Troy-Bilt 210, or any tips you may have in the comment section of the video. More DIY repair videos are coming soon. Blessings from my shop to yours.